How to protect an image on an iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome. Today I will show you how you can protect pictures from other people on your phone. Before we select the images we want to hide, we will open the settings of our phone. Among the many options that are offered to us, we need to find settings for our photos. Tap on it. In the new window we have to find two options: Use Touch ID and Show Hidden Album. When you find them, make sure both options are active. If they are not, tap the switch on the right and activate them. Now we can open our photo album. When the album opens, we need to select the pictures we want to hide. Open the image and tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. In the options that have opened, we need to select the Hide option. A pop-up window will open asking us to confirm our selection by clicking on the Hide Photo button. And that's it, our picture is now hidden. To access our hidden images, we will return to the home page of our gallery and scroll all the way to the end. There we will find the hidden option, which will open a hidden album with pictures when we scan our fingerprint or our face. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.